the all-new Alliance 2024 44 V14. A toy hauler with not only a large living room, but a dinette as well. An overall length of 45 foot 8 inches, dry weight of 16,500 pounds. This is definitely a dually worthy vehicle. Robert from Kunes RV in Slinger, Wisconsin, invited us out to take a look at one he had just received. During the National Rally in May, we were fortunate enough to see one while still on the assembly line. This is the first time we've seen one out of production and for sale. It comes with the standard 2 gasoline tanks, though I'm not sure how you fill these up as you're probably in a diesel line. Its own pump exchanger for your toys. Massive windows from your living room looking out. An all-new innovative exterior access trash chute from the kitchen, or you can just use it for storage. And check out the new Nautilus system. Actually, it's not really a Nautilus system. It's their new water management system. Most commonly found on high-end Class A's. If you're not using a system, you can turn it off here and have no worries. It will remain dry. And look at the pass-through storage. Easy access to get behind your water management system should you need to. Sewer hose storage, standard 30-pound propane tank, one on each side, storage for various items, as well as your inverter system. Your hydraulics, a single lithium battery in order to keep that refrigerator running, optional onboard generator with inverter technology, the other side to the pass-through. I love how the doors swing out and not up, so I'm not striking my head. And first thing I would do is call Moride to put in a sliding tray. We love the new graphics, although I think we might get the auto paint. Not sure yet. Let's go inside.
Hey everybody, strap in. I'm actually taking over. We're in the 14-foot garage. It really is a nice garage. Not too far off other toy haulers, except it has a fantastic tie-down system, and the loft is accessed from the garage, which is nice because most people use it for storage. Don't mind me nannering on about something not camper related. There's the half bath, because we plan, if we did use this model, this would be a guest bedroom, and this half bath would be for our guests. But it's also very close to a door. You can access it at rest stops, etc. Again, Alliance puts washer and dryer hookups in the garage and in the master bedroom. Now this is the there's the other part of the sectional. It's huge.
It's so huge.
Thanks.
Huge. And I think that's the unicorn of this toy hauler, is the sectional. The living space is big, and 6'5" Steve can sit at the sofa and his feet are not hitting the TV set like other toy haulers. It has the really big oven for a camper. I love how they call it residential. You and I know it's not. And the beautiful glass cabinet doors that hide the switches. This is very typical of our paradigm. We're very used to this and we love it. You can operate it even in the dark. And this is what I was looking forward to, this huge pantry. Now our camera makes it look kind of narrow. It's really not. It's a big pantry. And I got excited because it doesn't have this little cabinet in the bottom I thought was taking up too much room. Same huge atrium windows that we love in our paradigm. It's in this one as well on the campsite. And this had a 12-volt refrigerator. We have a residential. This actually has more room in it. I would love to use my solar package with this. Absolutely. I think it would be a lot easier, especially in national parks like the Everglades, which we love. As we go up the stairs, it's a pretty traditional layout for a Valor. Big master suite, ensuite with a full bath. The shower has changed a little bit. It's more of a one piece, no seams, very comfortable shower, and it has a huge medicine cabinet and a big place for towels. I've seen people use that's for towel storage. And there is a bench. Our camera isn't really doing it justice. It's very nice. We replaced our shower head with an oxygenic, just like most people, but you know, Steve's 6'5", and you go right into the bedroom. This is a different layout than our paradigm. We don't have this big cap closet, and so this is just stunning to us, especially when you don't have the washer and dryer in it. But can you imagine? It is about, I want to say 4 feet across in the middle, and then it still has two other hanging closets on either side of it. And there's plenty of room for me to get between the closet and the bed. I love the not so secret place for jewelry and stuff. Comes with a TV, another 12-volt TV. We think it's amazing. And we love the fact that in our paradigm, the Alliance, the air conditioners are direct dump, except for the bedroom, which also keeps the bathroom cold. Super easy. There's no carpeting. That's been a joy, and I love that space heater. Oh, there's Teddy. We've just got to decide if we want it.
Thank you, Robert and Kunes. We look forward to seeing everyone out there.